tremendous change in the last few years due to COVID-19, and we are servicing the change in ground level. The sector has seen robust growth, and our team has come together along with our clients to see better occupancy in our facilities. We are also constantly evaluating diversification into higher yield assets and opportunities. We have been able to drastically reduce our debt by monetizing our manufacturing land assets. These are non-core assets that don't relate to the commercial leasing business. This has transformed our P&L and allowed us to generate profits and cash to pay dividends to our shareholders. Our goal is to utilize borrowed funds only to enhance our return on equity in our rental yielding commercial real estate assets and to look for higher yield asset opportunities. Looking towards growth and future investments, we continue to track the legal process of resolution plan approved for the acquisition of Sharan Hospitality Private Limited. This is taking some time in the legal system, and we will keep the stakeholders posted on any change in status. With your support, we look for new investment opportunities. We are grateful to our bankers for their ever so stable support and partnership. I would like to thank all shareholders, employees, customers, bankers, and business associates for their valuable support and look forward to continued encouragement in our mission of building India. On behalf of fellow directors and Majestic family, I sincerely appreciate the faith and trust that you have bestowed on us during the last year. Now, I request Ms. Parul Chadha to take it forward. Speakers, for your questions and suggestions. The response on the questions are as follows. Queries relating to the financials are already disclosed in the audited balance sheet, and other suggestions are noted and will deliberate on the same internally. The company will continue to keep transparency between the operations of the company with shareholders by way of disclosures in terms of applicable SEBI guidelines from time to time. I request other members to send their queries over email to respond. We have received some questions, and I'm going to reply those, and others will reply through mail. The inspection of minute books and registers available for inspection to the shareholders at the registered office on making application to company secretary. The challenges and opportunities being faced by the company and the outlook of the management are already highlighted in the annual report, inter alia the management has highlighted. While our micro market Noida has rebound in office space demand, we fear that the sheer number of upcoming properties on the Noida, Greater Noida Expressway will soon lead to oversupply again. There has been robust growth in leasing occupancy, a significant uptick in property values, and even more pronounced deal flow. The company strives towards creating efficient cost structures in line with the scale of the business. We expect to generate healthy cash flows to further deleverage the balance sheet and increase shareholders' value. The management remuneration is in line with the industry practice and further approved by the board and shareholders. It cannot be linked to the or compared to the share capital of the company, but has to be commensurate with the industry standards having regard to the income and assets being managed. Mr. Ayush Munjal was not drawing salary from Majestic Auto in the year question and was in executive capacity in the subsidiary, and his remuneration is therefore duly disclosed in the consolidated related party transactions. As regards to disclosures of Hero MotoCorp shares, the same are disclosed as long-term capital assets, and significant capital gains were made on the sale of shares in excess of INR 300 crores, which is reflected in other comprehensive income. Accordingly, there is an appropriate disclosure in the accounts, and further queries may be addressed to the company. The inspection of records is available to shareholders. It's difficult to give precise estimate of growth. However, the recent rebound in office space demand in Noida is positive and for better return on capital investment. Challenges in the business outlook are highlighted in the annual report. ATS was executed for the property at Greater Noida, and the process of closing the transaction is going on in accordance with the terms of the ATS and applicable local regulations for transfer. The advance received against the said transaction is duly reflected in the accounts. Emirates Technology stake sale will be made to reputed buyers at an optimal value, and the management will try to deliver a good value for the investment. The question 3 is premature to speculate, as once the company exits certain investments, it also looks for new and further opportunities. At present, this business is limited to properties of subsidiaries. Ms. Chadda, you can please take over.
Thank you, sir. Dear members,